Hello, this is the first of many videos that I will be providing for you. So to start off, I'm going to introduce you to Google Chrome. Let's go to Google Chrome, open a new tab. On Google, go to Sublime, and you'll see Sublime Text 3. Now, you do this if you're doing it at home, of course, because this will be in the classroom. Sublime 3, you can download it from here. If you use a Mac, you can download the Mac version, OS 10, Windows 64, or even Linux if you use Linux. For starts, I want to kind of introduce you to HTML and tell you what it is. So, we will have already gone over this in the class by the time you see this video. But first of all, we have what's referred to as the declaration, which is an open angle bracket or less than sign, exclamation, doc type, HTML, and then a greater than sign. A declaration specifies to the browser what type of HTML you're using. There are 5 versions of HTML. We are going to be learning HTML5 in this class and CSS3. Those are the latest versions of both coding applications. Doc type space HTML. In these brackets with the exclamation mark at the beginning is a tag, but this tag is a declaration. So now you know what a tag looks like if you did not know before now. Some people have, and when you type in that right there, what I just typed in, the less than sign and the exclamation, it gives you a starting. Now I put 2 hyphens in afterwards because I want to add a comment. A comment is something that will never be seen on the browser. However, it will be seen by the person that is actually writing the code. So if you want to make comments to yourself, say, I want to remember what this is. Well, this is called the declaration tag. And then dash dash, greater than sign, and then notice that this comes back to life down here because I closed off the comment. The reason this all turned blue is because the ending wasn't there yet, right here. This can be treated like a period in a sentence. It means that's the end, start something new. So down here we have HTML lang equals en. So learn these terms: HTML, lang, en. Those are 3 components in a tag. The tag is everything that's in between the less than and greater than sign. None of this is ever seen on a browser. What this does is it influences what is outside of the tag. So, the first part is called the element. HTML is the element. Every tag has an element. Like right below it you have head. It can have an element only if you want. Body, and so on and so forth. Title is just the element alone. Following the element is the attribute. In this case, language is the attribute, or lang. You never spell it out in this case. And what follows the equal sign is always in quotes. And what is in quotes is referred to as the value. So, okay, well, I want to remember that. So I'm going to make sure that I have that information in here. Now I have the information that tells you and tells me, in case I want to remember. Those are the 3 components. So all you're going to have to do, I would like you to do for class, is to look at this and rewrite this. You can get rid of this part right here because it's not really, we haven't got into CSS. We're not going to use CSS yet. So I'm going to get rid of that. I want it to be as simple as it's not even H1. We haven't got an H1. Let's do it just P for paragraph. The P symbol, the P element is paragraph. So hello world, just like any other programming language. Hello world. As I said, on the outside of the tags is what will be displayed. So hello world will be displayed, and in the title, my first web page. Where that displays is in your browser on your tabs. So, for example, if I go here, Udemy or Visual Understanding, all these are showing up here. Chrome Web Store, those are the titles. And then it closes off with body and HTML. Lastly, save as, and save it as index.html, and save it to a folder that you've created on your desktop or someplace that you're comfortable keeping it. Okay, that's all. Make sure you upload this to Moodle, and there will be another video coming soon that will be available to you as soon as you have uploaded this.